Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to on do not disturb in Vivo phone. So friends, before I start the video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So you have to go to the setting here, then you have to scroll it down there, then you see here, then you have to press that sound, then you hear do not disturb, so you have to press this one, then you see here turn on now, you have to press this one. So do not disturb has been on already in this phone, so you can on like this in this phone. Come to the setting, then you just scroll it down, then you have to press this sound, then you have to search for do not disturb, then you have to press this one, then you will get here turn off now, turn on now. You just need to press this one. If you want to off also, you just need to off from here, then it's already done now. So friends, before you leave this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.